Creating apps has never been easier thanks to AI and coding agents. But did you know that in many cases, you can do this in one go using just one prompt? This feature is called Claude Artifacts. In this video, I want to show you how it works on 3 simple examples. So we'll create a Snake game in a cyberpunk style. We will also create a website where we can learn French words using flashcards in the topic that I am interested in. We will also build an application that allows users to upload their CV and job description, and it will use Anthropic API to change this CV to tailor it to this job description. So if you are interested, please continue watching. Okay, I am in Claude.ai website, so I see this chatbot, and now I can use it to create my artifacts. Usually, in order to create an artifact, you can explicitly ask Claude, please create me an artifact, and then describe what it should do. Let's start with the first example. So let's say I want to learn some French words, and I'm very interested in coding and also AI. So I can ask Claude to build me this artifact and help me learn French in a way that I would like to. So build an artifact with flashcards for me to learn French words. I like AI and coding, so use these topics. Let's click enter. You see that now Claude is generating code file. It is written in React language, so it's JavaScript. Okay, the file is generated, and the cool thing I love about Claude Artifacts is that you can immediately use this website here. So I see this French word for artificial intelligence, tap to flip. I can mark it as known, next. I don't want to spell it. It's basically machine learning, neural networks. So now using Claude Artifacts, instead of trying to search for a website where I can learn French, I can just create my own for a specific problem that I am facing now. Now, Claude Artifact, it can be more than just a web page, so it can be a game. So let's do a simple example of Snake game, but let's make it in cyberpunk style. Create an artifact with Snake game in cyberpunk style. This is my prompt. Let's run it. Cool, so our Cyber Snake game is ready, so let's try to play. Okay, seems to be working, so it still is implemented in JavaScript, and if you want to see the code, you can switch tab here and see all the code for this game. So obviously you can copy it, or you can download the full file and deploy it to your own website. Now let's do more complicated example. So Claude Artifacts, they can connect to LLM API, specifically Anthropic and Claude, and they can call Claude with some prompts and do stuff. So we can very easily build like AI wrapper around Claude API, which can do things for you. So in example I wanted to show you, we want to build a service that allows me to upload my CV and also some job description, and it needs to tailor this CV to this specific job description. Create an artifact that allows me to upload a PDF with my CV and job description, and it should create a new CV tailored for this job description. Let's run this prompt. Okay, so the service is ready. I uploaded my CV. I added some job description for Java job. Let's click generate. Okay, and you can see that it generated markdown with me, like some Java full stack development, London, my email, some professional summary, etc. So I think quite reasonable. We would want probably not markdown, but some other docx format or something. But I will leave that to follow-ups in the chat. If you're curious to know, if you open code tab here, you can find how exactly this service is calling an LLM. So you see that it is doing some API call to Anthropic messages with this Claude Sonnet model. And you can see the prompt, job description, instructions, output format. So if you want, you can, based on this information, ask it to modify the prompt or to add some follow-up prompts. So for example, if you want to have a sequence of API calls, again, this all is possible here. Now, the last thing I wanted to show you is called Artifacts library. If you click here on Artifacts, you can see a lot of different existing artifacts and their chats. So, for example, there is like Forest Explorer. You can open it. You can immediately try it in this browser window. So you can walk in the forest, and you can see a full chat for this artifact. So what were the exact prompts to build these artifacts? So you see that this particular artifacts was built in just one prompt. For some other artifacts, they used more than one prompt. If you go to Life Hacks tab here, I think you can find a lot of inspiration for your personal artifacts that might be useful for you. Okay, this was all for today. I hope it was useful. If you want to see more videos like this about AI coding and AI tools, please subscribe to our channel. Every week we post a video about something useful in the AI space. Thank you very much for watching, and see you next time.